Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Even though I'm coming towards you. Oops.
Careful.
Slippery. No.
No.
Come on, back down on the grass.
Go play with Mum. Come on.
It's a girl. Down we come. Down we come. Good girl. Backwards. That's a girl. Good girl.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
You coming? Come on.
You didn't, Mum. Bye. Got your gumboots on.
Come on. You gonna come down
Miko,
the
you go
grass?
play with Miko? With Miko.
Must be Izzy in the book.
Oh,
Yeah, come
yeah,
on.
Play with Miko. Play with Miko.
Come on, let's go play with Miko. Come on. Good girl. Keep coming.
Here he is. He's coming to play. Come on.
You gonna come play with Miko?
He's over here now.
Come on.
No, I'm going to go get him. I'll say bye or we'll never get this process done.
No.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Come on. Come on. Off we go. Let's do some gardening, eh? Bye. What is it? It's flowers. It's flags. Hey? What do you got? Yeah. You gonna show your gumboots to Nana? Look. Your sexy gumboots, eh? Boink. Boink.